Hello Galaxy, I'm Chris Perillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Google Pixels are really good smartphones. They're relatively affordable, and for the most part, they work well with software, but also for the most part, hardware. Well, here's my wife's Pixel 6 Pro, which was a pass down for me when I got the Pixel 7 Pro that I'm using as a webcam largely. And the other day, it seems that the screen started to separate, and so now the digitizer is all funked up. Like, I can't get the keypad to open up, and even if I could, I can't actually press the buttons to unlock. So yeah, it's hosed. But we've been using Pixel devices for a number of years, not just because of having less bloat to deal with, a pretty straightforward Android experience, but for the most part, it fits the way that we use devices in this family, and that includes the software and the experience that comes with the hardware. But I wasn't ready to just go out and replace a 6 Pro screen. That would have been costly. It would have been just as cost effective to just get a 6A and then wait until the Pixel 8 Pro is out. Or sorry, yeah, the 8? Yes, the next version of the Pixel out, then pass down the Pixel 7 Pro to Diana, and then of course the 6A, the new 6A, which I'll be setting up tonight, will be passed down to Jedi, or certainly as a knockaround. So for $300, I could have either picked up the 6A or replaced the screen on the Pixel 6 Pro, and I decided to get a completely new phone because it just wasn't worth replacing the screen for the same amount of money. See, I think that the Pixel sweet spot isn't in the Pro line. I think it's in the A line, and this is going to be our first A experience, and I gotta tell you, as much as I might be a power user, Diana definitely uses her phone frequently enough. I'm not sure if she'll notice the difference, by and large, between the Pixel 6 Pro and the 6A.